Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here. We're flying across Caribbean Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, with the America. We're in America, guys. We're in America. All right. Baby Keem, Kendrick Lamar. Family ties. That is where we are. That is what we're doing today. You see the thumbnail, you know what it was. You clicked on it, right? Like the video, right? Subscribe around here if you're new. Join the family, the Rarest Nation family. So, without further delay, let's jump straight on this and see what is going on in. Let's go.
Bitch, jump in that.
Yeah.
Jump in that fire.
Yeah.
Jump in that bitch, hitting that fire. Jump in that whip, thumb in that bitch, come in that bitch. Ho, drum in that bitch. Chopper doing circles. It's a bird. Take him to the potty. He's a nerd.
This is gonna be epic. This is gonna be epic, dog. No joke. I love the girls in the video twerk up them bumper, and I like it. I like it. Let's go.
Bow. I ain't seen niggas hit corners in the motherfucking burbs. Bow. Done politicking with the competition. What's the word? Put that on my mama, nigga. 8 in the process. Nigga trying to tippy-toe through the progress. Tongue tied when the truth is an object.
Man said nigga trying to tippy-toe through the progress. Yo, bars.
8 in the process, nigga tryna tippy-toe through the progress. Tongue tied when the truth is an object. What's the pros and the cons of this next check? Wasn't nobody round, I was independent. In a 97 bomb with the windows tinted. Heard a bomb got a strap in the party. Who the fuck like this in the party? Beat him up. I was seeing double in the projects, mad at myself, learn to put it to the side. Mama had.
Let me just say this. I've never seen a music video like this before. I've never seen a music video in this concept before. It's new, it's fresh, it's bad, it's different. I know anything Kendrick is on have to be exceptionally great. Cause Kendrick is just in a world by himself, dog. Kendrick is just different. Let's go.
Had to cater for the coupe that we rode at the school on the way to pop pies. And niggas wanna play both sides. This a red dot, don't get on the wrong red eye. It's a headshot, they can't woo them guys. Fuck around and bag 2 of them guys. I'm ODing.
Fuck around and bag 2 of them guys. Yo, Baby Keem, it's the first I'm reacting to one of your songs. First I'm listening to one of your songs, bro. But better. Let's go.
Paris, I'm OD in France. I thought that I told you I need the advance. Put down your IG and look through my lens. $1 million to grandma, who did I offend? The girl of your dreams to me is a fan. I netted 10 million and did a little dance.
Yo, the flow, dog. The flow, brother. The man just sit up on the rhythm like a lizard on a limb. The flow, bro. The man not putting a foot wrong. Brother, the melody and the flow in this from him, brother. Magical.
Fuck around and bag 2 of them guys. I'm OD in Paris, I'm OD in France. I thought that I told you I need the advance. Put down your IG and look through my lens. $1 million to grandma, who did I offend? The girl of your dreams to me is a fan. I netted 10 million and did a little dance. I'm fucking the world, I ends in my pants. My Uncle G told me that I had a chance. So
Oh shit. Bro, it needs to chill the fuck out, dog.
Grandma, who did I offend? The girl of your dreams to me is a fan. I netted 10 million and did a little dance. I'm fucking the world, I ends in my pants. My Uncle G told me that I had a chance. So then I popped out and did it again. I cannot respect them, where did he begin? Advice from the council, let nobody in. Been swearing through rumors, avoiding the trends. And ducking the holes, I'm ducking the loony that come with the shows. I'm grateful to man, he opened up doors. They bung on their tour bus to come and compose.
Brother, this fucking brother is insane. This guy is insane, dog. This guy is insane, bro. And Kendrick not dropping yet. If the song start like this, remember now, Kendrick is basically at this point Let's go for a sec. Let's go.
Reach to the stars on my tippy toes. This greatest success where most niggas fold. I tell you my past, that shit don't get old. But how could you ask? Like I don't be writing my raps. The critics got everyone tapped. You gotta relax. The city where nobody sleep. Just type in it. That's where I'm at. Ho.
Scene 1 was fucking fire. Let's go scene 2.
Smoking on your top 5 tonight. I'm smoking on your what's the name tonight. Smoking on your shows ain't tonight. I am the Omega. PG Lane Rolly Gang SIE. Don't you address me unless it's with 4 letters. I thought you known better. I've been ducking the pandemic. I've been social gimmicks. I've been ducking the overnight activists. Yeah.
Yo, Kendrick is in a league by himself. Kendrick is competing with Kendrick. Brother, Kendrick is competing with Kendrick. Kendrick just switch up him flow. I never hear a flow from Kendrick like this before, dog. I know if I the beat, I don't know, brother. Kendrick just make everything better. Anything Kendrick touches gold, bro. You cannot deny the fact that the man is a lyrical genius, bro. The man is way ahead of his time. Yo, Kendrick, let's go, dog.
I'm not a trending topic, I'm a polo. Y'all niggas playing with me, man. I am the Omega. PG Lane Rolly Gang SIE. Don't you address me unless it with 4 letters. Bitch, I thought you known better. I've been ducking the pandemic. I've been ducking the social gimmicks. I've been ducking the overnight activists. Yeah, I'm not a trending topic, I'm a prophet. I answer to Metatron, Nick Gabrielle. Bitch.
The man said him is a prophet. The man I tell us him is a prophet, brother. Kendrick and Keem, bro. I don't know all this came about, but bro, this is just in a real, this is some alien brain shit, bro.
Looking for a better me, I am a legacy. I come from the 70s, the Al Green, offspring, guns and the melody, the big shot, wrist on cryotherapy. Soon as I press that button, nigga better get right like the emblem's coming. Us too, when I like he ain't been through nothing. Day free, got at least 1 B in the oven. I'm tripping, I'm triggering, my mental is amazing, brother. Pop off only on occasions, brother. Rich nigga, mama know.
Amazing, brother. Pop off only on occasions, brother. Bro,
I made it, brother. Go figure, never caught cases, brother. Face it, brother. Gracious, brother. New flows coming, be patient, brother. Show my ass in, take you out of class. I can multitask like Megan, brother. 20.
Now this is where the music should be. None of this mumble rap shit. I don't care who don't like what I'm saying. This fucking mumble rap. Man, fuck off. This is where the music should be, bro. The next level should be on this level, brother. Kendrick, big up yourself, bro. Keem, big up yourself, G.
21 ain't taking no prisoner. Last year, y'all fucked up all the listener. Who went platinum? I call that a visitor. Who the fuck backing them? All been falsified. The facts mean this is a vaccine and the game need me to survive. The Elohim, the rebirth. Before you get to the Father, you gotta holler at me first, bitch. Smoking on top 5s. Motherfuck that album, fuck that single. Burn that hard drive. Burn that shit. Ain't nobody safe when I come up killing everybody that's outside. Who you with? Yeah, Kanye changed his life, but me, I'm still an old school Gemini. Bitch. Let me jump in this bitch. 2 phones, but I only bring 1 in this bitch. 1 daughter, but
Yo, man, so let me jump in this bitch. Let me jump in it. The song is so long, but it seems short. The song seems short.
Sons in this bitch. No hoes ain't shit getting done in this bitch. I'm scary, I got a gun in this bitch. Smoking on top 5s. Stop playing, I'm that guy.
Number 2 DM in my bitch. That's cool, that's why.
Family ties. Bro. Why the song finish so quick? My only negative is, even though the song is 4 minutes and 19 seconds, the song finished too fucking quick. This should be 10 minutes. Lyrics overdrive, dog. Lyrics isn't overdrive, bro. The man them not... Brother, 2 lyrical genius link up, brother. You're only gonna have a volcano erupting with full of lyrics, bro. Full of lyrics, brother. Hot. This is where the fucking music should be, bro. The man, I'm turning music into some gimmicks thing, bro. These are real artists. Big up the 2 artists, them. Baby Keem, Kendrick Lamar. Big up yourself, man, G. Yo, this song is bro. I'm not surprised. 10 million in 1 week. Like, I'm not surprised, bro. Brother, big up yourself. I'm out of here, dog. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. Subscribe, I mean. Alright, I'm out. See you later. Bye-bye.